Week 3 of Vlogmas! Welcome back. Week 3 of Vlogmas. I literally just finished redoing my nails. I just had French nails on, but they lasted all of 2 seconds because the white nail polish that I have isn't gel, it's just regular nail polish, and I tried to make it work, but it not being gel just made it not be able to last. Anyway, I can't handle having chip nails, like if I even have a little chip on my nail. Since I have a whole kit and can do it myself, I'm just gonna immediately do a new set. So that's what I did. Right now, Keenan and I are about to go to the gym, get a little workout in. The other day, we stopped in the shop and they had all of these like different Red Bull flavors. Wait, let me show you the one Keenan got. He got the purple Red Bull, which is acai flavored. It was so good, and I had never seen this one before. I tried this one, and then I saw this one, and they also had the pink one, and I was gonna get the pink one because I'd already had the iced vanilla berry, which is like the light blue one. Keenan took a closer look at this one, and it's actually iced cotton candy, not the iced vanilla berry, which is like the other one that's sold out that's the same color. But I've never tried the iced cotton candy, so we're gonna crack it open and give it a try. What does it taste very similar to? It's really good. It has a very similar taste. Like, I'm trying to remember what it tastes like. Anyway, let's go get a good workout in. Welcome to Vlogmas week 3, and I'm so happy you guys are here. Vlogmas week 1 and 2 were shorter videos because I did have like a pack-filled schedule and week that week, but this week, thankfully, I mostly have off of work, so I can go back to dedicating all my time for Vlogmas. Wait, do you want to try it?
Yeah, let's try it. Smell is there. And sugar-free, that's good.
Right? Doesn't it have a similar taste though? Like a familiar taste? I feel like there is a drink that tastes very similar to that.
It tastes like a Skittle. The smoothie Skittles.
That's actually really good comparison. I'm gonna say this every Vlogmas for newcomers. It's the first Vlogmas in the Netherlands. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. This is literally it. It's just the Aritzia. Hi beauties, good morning, happy Wednesday. Yesterday and this morning I basically was spending all my time doing housing stuff and also responding to brand deals and work emails, because when I'm not working, then I'm going back to full focus social media. So just trying to split my time wisely. I'm still getting used to this new routine, so I'm trying to find a routine that works for me, that I still feel like I'm accomplishing and working towards goals that I've always had. But anyway, yesterday I just put my head down, was doing all of that, sorting everything and just getting situated. Right now, today, we are about to go view an apartment, and then we have another apartment viewing on Friday as well. Feeling confident about both of these apartments, so we have good words coming from them, so I'm feeling good. Just with how crazy the housing market is in the Netherlands, I'm trying to be realistic at the same time, but I am feeling good, feeling confident, and I do want to manifest amazing things, and I'm bringing you guys with me too. You and me, we're gonna go do this. Come into the city with me. Let's go apartment hunting for the bajillionth freaking time. Yay! I kind of want to wear my blue light glasses. They're a bit dirty, but I feel like they're cute, and it's so windy out today, and I feel like when it's really windy and I'm walking around in the city, I always get stuff blown into my eyes. I literally feel like I have something in my eye right now. But anyway, I always just like get stuff in my eyes, and it's a little bit too gloomy still to be wearing sunglasses, I feel like. So I think I'm gonna wear my blue light glasses from Key Australia because I literally love these. I'm gonna edit when I'm on the train too. It also will protect me a bit from stuff getting in my eyes. Oh my god, I literally have something in my eye right now. There's a little hair in my eye is literally what I was talking about. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna wear these, and normally I don't wear, like, I will wear blue light glasses when I'm editing and stuff. Like I said, I don't know if this happens to anyone else. When you're like outside in the wind and it's like kind of cold and windy and it makes your eyes water so bad that you're like crying. That happens to me every single time, and it annoys me so much because then it ruins my makeup and it ruins my lashes. I hate it, and it's uncomfy, and then your eye doesn't stop watering and then you look like you've been crying. But it's just because it was windy out. Okay. I think I'm gonna bring this, but if I am going to wear these, then I'm gonna pack this powder in my purse. This is the Carslin setting powder. It's a ride or die. Look, I'm literally like a hit pan, but it's waterproof and it comes with a little like tapper in it. So I'm just gonna bring this in my purse, and then that way if I get like lines here, I can just fix it up really quick. Oh my gosh, you guys. So Keenan called me and was like, it is so cold, like make sure you wear layers. And I'm looking outside right now, literally about to leave, and it is raining and so windy. The doors are literally moving from how windy it is. I'm not prepared for this. And I definitely feel like I need to get like a full body, with how cold it is here. I need to get a full body, huge jacket, waterproof, you know. This is what we got to work with. Thank God for Keenan's scarf. I've literally kidnapped it from him. We're gonna go embark on this journey together. Let's go apartment hunt. Let me rant for a second, okay? And get it out of my system. And like, hey, I get it. You know what I mean? Every single time I try to map going somewhere, if I know it's gonna be a journey to get there, if I know I've never been there before, and you're taking public transportation because you're in Europe and that's how you get around. So I had my train cancel 6 times and I was only supposed to take 1 train. Anyway, that's my rant, is that all the trains cancel and it makes it so hard to plan ahead because it's like impossible. Anyway, that was my rant over. I'm so grateful for this life and for public transportation. This is nice. Nice bathroom. I like the bathroom. We're reunited. Oh my god, my hair looks crazy. We have made it home. I did not make it to a gym. You guys, what a day today was. I'm ready to tuck into bed, put a movie on. Do you want to tell them about how you checked my location?
Yeah, so I check your location in the middle of my workday, and she's off the side of a dock. In the middle of nowhere. I send a message doesn't go through. I end up calling her. I don't know if that would have worked if her phone would have been in the water, but I ended up calling her, and then she answered, and I was like, oh flip. I thought we had lost her to Sassenheim water in the docks, but we didn't. Look at her, she's here.
I'm here, I'm safe. Thankfully.
Thank God, thank the Lord, have mercy. Please have mercy on me.
So.
Thanks, guys.
And thankfully he was checking in on me too, so everything was okay. We meet again, and it's Friday, so it's time for another apartment hunt. I'm all ready and dressed, hopefully warm enough. Let's get this show on the road and let's go apartment hunt. This is the one that I I think is our number one. Hopefully everything is good, and I'm just super excited. So let's go embark on this journey. It's gonna take us quite a pretty minute to get there. Let's go. I'm home after an amazing apartment tour. I think I got footage of one of the apartments. I toured a few. It was kind of darker in the day and the lights aren't put in just yet. The lighting might have been really dark for the viewing. So anyway, my birthday is in like 5 days. I'm only 23 for 5 more days, and then I'm basically 30. I'm excited though.
What are you excited about?
I'm excited. Okay, I think something that's cool about your birthday is you can reflect back on the year, and I can like remember how I felt at my last birthday, and then I can think about all of the things that I accomplished in this whole year, and then it makes me be like excited to have a birthday again, because then I'm like, wait, that was really cool to like reflect and think about all the things that I like had goals or like things that I wanted to happen, and then to know now that they happened, or maybe they didn't happen but something better happened. So that's one of my favorite part about birthdays, is like being able to reflect on your year. If something doesn't work out, there's always a reason why, and it's because something better is in store for you, something that's meant for you. Anyway, I love you all. Thanks for hanging out with me on Vlogmas week 3, and week 4 is gonna be so fun because it'll be week 4 of Vlogmas and my birthday. Yay! I'll see you guys next week. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I'll see you guys next vlog. Peace.
Oh, the dawn is sparkling slow. Herald some as the night takes flight.